My name is Peter, and we're gonna make our homemade chessboard. Do you want to make a chessboard? Well, let's see what materials you need. You need a scissor, some kind of coloring utensil. You can use permanent markers, color pencils, markers, pens. Yeah, pretty much. There's a lot of stuff you can color with. And you want a mechanical pencil or just a regular number 2 pencil. Anything you can pretty much erase. You need a ruler. You want a 12-inch ruler. I guess you need paper clips. You can use the straight ones. You need tape. And you need a glue stick. So you only use the glue stick for step 1. That's pretty much what you use the glue stick for, to tape it for your chessboard. You also might want an eraser, because you want to erase when you're drawing with your pencil. And then you outline it with your pen for your drawings. 6 pieces of paper. All that material, you can make your own chessboard. Wow! If you're trying to make a chessboard with paper, you will need 3 paper. You need 2 whole sheets and 2 half sheets, so you can make the chessboard. Well, on the back, you want to tape all the paper together to make one whole sheet of paper, so you can draw your chessboard on. And on the front, you don't really want tape because you can't really draw on tape. So you should glue all the gaps underneath to make sure that it's actually one whole sheet of paper that you can write and draw on. I already glued this part. Yeah, here. I already glued this part, one with the flap, as you can see here. And I'd like you to repeat the rest in these gaps. Yeah, underneath the 2 holes. Now you have one big piece of paper. Okay. So what we want is 11 by 11 chessboard. So what you want to do is you measure the length on the paper from 11, and then you mark the 11 spot. You also mark the 0 spot. You want to repeat this process until you got a circle. Did I say circle? I mean square. So you want to mark the corners and then you connect the lines. Oh shoot, that's not straight. And that's why you use pencil, folks. Or mechanical pencil. Anything you can erase with. Because you can make mistakes. Alright. Not now that you're done with your circle, you're probably wondering what these small indicators are. Well, those are the horizontal and vertical lines for your chessboard. You want these lines to be 1.5 inches apart, each of them. So you want a 8 by 8 square board to have 64 space. They're also 1.5 inches apart because again, you want an 8 by 8 chessboard. Once you finish the indicators, you can finally finish the lines using the indicators. Remember, your ruler must be straight. If it isn't straight, then you can mess up. Like when you're outlining with marker or any type of like ink or paint, what you want to do, you want to outline most of the lines with a dark color. If you're afraid you're gonna mess up, you should use the ruler because not everyone can draw a straight line properly. Now, you want to have two different colors variations for your chessboard because there's two different sides. Traditionally, it's usually black and white, but I don't I don't think that really matters as long as you know which side goes first or which color goes first. Let's I don't know. The two color variations are pretty much just your choice. Um, I think I'm gonna go for orange and light blue. Um, you don't really have to color the whole thing fully. You can draw designs on your chessboard, and then you just keep repeating the pattern. It's usually um, it's supposed to be one color. I'm just gonna use example using my colors. Or it's supposed to be orange, light blue, orange, light blue, orange, light blue, orange, and light blue. It's the same. It's the same way for this side, for vertical and horizontal. So you start off with orange. You go with light blue, orange, light blue, orange, light blue, orange, light blue, and yeah, you just pretty much just keep repeating that process until you finish the patterns. And remember to use the same pattern. Actually, you can use different patterns every time, but it's more consistent if you use one. Let's say, oh, I don't want to draw a star anymore. I want to draw a circle. You can still play chess because you know both of these are orange spaces. I don't recommend using the same pattern for different colors. Like, oh, I want a light blue star. You can if you want, but I wouldn't recommend it because sometimes you get confused. Now that we're done with the chessboard, it's time to move on to character creation. So there's 8 pawns in the game, and there's 2 rooks. There's a bishop. There's 2 bishops, 2 knights, a queen, and a king. Wait, now what theme do we want? I know. Theme for my chessboard is gonna be waffles versus our characters are gonna be. Well, it's gonna go up 2 3/4. I want to wrap it around our finger so it can stand. Start by making a regular rectangle. And you don't have to make toasters, guys. You can pretty much make whatever you want. But I'm just making it to a toaster to just show you how to make a character. And this piece is gonna be the king because it has a crown on the king. It has a crown on it. You want you want indicators for your characters to know to not get confused in the middle of the game. Alright. To make this stand, Wrap it around your finger. As you can see here, we're now finished. Our custom chessboard. Yeah. And there you have it. Your own custom chessboard.